Have you ever asked a question to Siri, seen Instagram show you the exact reel you wanted to watch, or used Google Translate to talk to someone in another language? All of that is artificial intelligence. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what is AI and machine learning actually are in the simplest way possible. No confusing term, no coding, just clear understanding. Okay, because whether you are a student planning your career or someone who wants to start a business, this is probably the biggest shift happening in the world right now, right? And you need to understand it. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence or AI simply means AI means making a computer or machine think and make decisions like human. That's it. It's not magic. It's a computer trying to copy how our brain works, recognizing the recognizing a face, understanding language, predicting what comes next. Now, machine learning or ML is actually a part of AI. Think of AI as the big goal, make machine smart, and machine learning as one of the main ways we achieve that goal, right? Here's the simplest way to understand it. Normally, when we write a computer program, we give it strict rules. If this happens, do that. But with machine learning, we don't give the computer rules. Instead, we give it thousands, sometimes millions of examples, and the computer finds the patterns on its own, right? So, for example, if you show a, computer 10,000 photos of cats and tell it these are cats, the computer studied all those photos and learns the patterns of what a cat looks like. Next time you show it a brand new photo, it can say yes, this is cat, without anyone ever telling it is the rules, right? That's machine learning. It learns from data the same way we learn from experience, right? So remember this one line: AI is the destination, machine learning is one of the vehicles that gets us there. Okay. Okay, now you may think this very new technology, right? But actually, the idea of AI started way back in 1950 when scientists named Alan Turing asked one simple question: can machine think? In 1956, the terms artificial intelligence was used officially for the first time at a conference in America. 4 decades after that, progress was slow, computers were weak, and there wasn't enough data. There were even periods called AI winters, where researchers almost stopped because results were so disappointed. Right? The real breakthrough happened after 2012 when machine learning models got much better at recognizing images thanks to more powerful chips and huge amounts of data on the internet. And then in November 2022, everything changed for the public when ChatGPT was launched suddenly. AI wasn't just for scientists or engineers anymore. A normal person could open a app and simply talk it, right? That one moment brought AI into every home, every classroom, and every business. Okay. So why does anyone care about this so much? Because AI is already saving us time, effort anywhere, everywhere, right? It helps doctor to detect diseases early by scanning reports faster than humans. It helps farmers predict weather and crop health. It helps student get instant explanation for tough topics. It helps businesses answer customer questions 24 into 7 through chatbot. It even helps you commute, the maps app that finds you the fastest route, using AI to study traffic in real time, right? In short, AI takes the repetitive, time consuming tasks off our hands, so we can also focus on thinking, creating, or deciding, right? Now let's talk about why this actually matters to you. If you are student, here's the reality: you don't need a become a coder uh, to have a career in AI. Companies today need people who understand AI, can use it well in marketing, finance, or healthcare, or design, even government jobs, right? In India alone, AI related hiring is growing by more than 30% this year, with lakhs of new positions opening up. And it's not just for engineers. Roles like AI product manager, AI consultant, and AI governance specialist need uh, people from all kind of backgrounds, not just computer science. The one skill that matters most right now is simply knowing how to use AI tools well. That alone puts you ahead of most people your age, right? If you are entrepreneur or planning to start a business, AI is your biggest opportunity. uh, 10 years ago, starting a business meant hiring a big team just for customer support, content, or data work. Today, one person with the right AI tools can do the work of five. You can build a customer support chatbot, create marketing content, analyze your sales data, even build founders, and small businesses are growing faster than ever before, right? uh, so now let's talk about where we are right now in 2026. The global AI market has crossed $500 billion this year alone, and it's growing by more using growing by around 30% every single year. More than 1.3 billion people around the world are already using AI tools regularly. In India specifically, over 90% of employee have already started using generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini at work. So every big tech company, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Indian companies too, is racing to build smarter and faster AI models. New versions are being released almost every month now. This isn't a future trend anymore. It is already happening right now in your own city, right? So what happens next? Experts believe AI will move from just answering our question to actually doing tasks for us, like booking appointments, managing our schedules, even running parts of a business on its own, right? These are called AI agents, and they are already being tested by major companies. In the next few years, knowing how to work and with AI won't an advantage anymore. It will simply be a basic skill, like knowing how to use computer on the internet today, right? So here's the one thing to remember: AI is not here to replace, it's here to replace people who refuse to learn it. The best part times to uh, the best time to start understanding AI was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video help you understand AI and machine learning in simple words, hit that like or subscribe button and subscribe this channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that when we post any type of AI updates like a post or video, so you will get notification first. Okay. And thank you so much for watching till the end. We will meet you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.